in the class I have now, it's more like I got more freedom to, you know, express my opinions on topics that we're doing. Like Miss Moore, she like, we have everybody do like debates and stuff.
Because in my other classes, they just like gave us the work on the board, but like the NQ lessons, she actually like let us like, it's hands-on, so like we read ourselves, and if we don't understand it, then like she'll come over there and break it down to us.
Like we all do a lot of working together, but like the teacher is still,
she's like guiding us through it.
Well, in history, I definitely see that Miss Haynes, she has a lot of hands-on learning type of things. Like we do a lot of projects, we like talk throughout the class and stuff like that.
Voice matters in her class.
I feel like the students have a lot more say in what goes down in the classroom. Like we still get all our work done, but it's through different means. Like if we don't like something and we speak up, the teacher will listen.
Yeah, in this class you get to take like more lead, you get to direct how the class is going, you provide the teacher with feedback and she hears you and like changes the way she teaches based on that.
It seems like it's our responsibility to learn, which I think is good because, and not to say that the teachers don't do anything, because they'll, once we do our learning ourselves, then they'll help to reinforce that learning and to make sure that we're where we need to be. But the main difference is it's our responsibility to learn first, and then that learning is reinforced as opposed to the teacher just giving us everything in a slideshow.
I like hands-on activities. That's the best way I can learn. And we do those all the time.
Like we get to be more interactive with each other, more involved, and like it feels more sense of community.
The class is more engaging, because I zone out really easily, but I don't zone out much. I mean, not that I'm zoning out in other people's classes, but it's harder to zone out in these classes because it's a lot of conversations where we can kind of take it our own way about our learning, which is more engaging, I'd say.
At first, I was like, what is this? I don't know none of this. And then I'm like, I actually like this. I actually understand it better than I thought I would.
I think we definitely learn skills.
Yeah, a lot.
Like definitely learn skills.
We learned from her, but also taught ourselves what was wet, and like I understood it more when like she taught it, and then I went back and did it by myself.
I feel like I've learned more because like in other classes it feels more like just memorizing stuff, and in this class when you learn something you actually get how like it applies to life and stuff, or you're outside, or like you learn it, like it really becomes part of your like it gets integrated into your mind.